number 427, effective until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Cody, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warren, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing warnings.
Stay tuned to NWR weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 427 has been issued from 12:05 p.m.
Watch
until
number 427 has been issued from 12:05 p.m. or 1:05 p.m. until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union.
The fuck? What happened?
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NWR weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 428 has been issued from 12:25 p.m. until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Montgomery and Stewart.
Tennessee? It was a doubleheader. You're good.
Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, western Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 1 p.m. At 12:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Clarksville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Coopertown, Pleasant View, Adams, Sladen, Cheatham Dam, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 24. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties: Montgomery, Tennessee.
We done? Hey, you bitch.
Issued a severe thunder.
Of course.
At 12:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Clarksville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Coopertown, Pleasant View, Adams, Sladen, Cheatham Dam, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 24. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. for the following counties: Montgomery, Tennessee. watch number 427. Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, east central Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, western Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 1:30 p.m. At 1 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coopertown, or 11 miles north of Ashland City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Wichita, Cross Plains, Pleasant View, Orlinda, Cedar Hill, and Cottontown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 98 and 118. Interstate 24 between mile markers 15 and 32. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following county: Montgomery, Tennessee. The National Weather Service.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Davidson County in northwestern Kentucky, southeastern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, northwestern McLean County in northwestern Kentucky until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Robards or 8 miles southeast of Henderson, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Robards, St. Joseph, Stanley, and Edwardsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 137 and 148. Audubon Parkway between mile markers 1 and 19. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Davis, Henderson, and McLean. The
Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, northwestern McLean County in northwestern Kentucky until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Robards or 8 miles southeast of Henderson, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Robards, St. Joseph, Stanley, and Edwardsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 137 and 148. Audubon Parkway between mile markers 1 and 19. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Davis, Henderson, and McLean.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 429, effective Indiana, Du Bois and Perry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 429 has been issued until 11 p.m. or 10 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Du Bois and Perry. Now,
Severe thunderstorm warning. Illinois.
the National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, southern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albion, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Carmel, Albion, Grayville, Belmont, Bone Gap, Kingsburg, and Browns. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Edwards and Wabash. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for southern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 5 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by a thunderstorm. Source, radar. The following effects are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Carmel, Albion, Grayville, Belmont, Bone Gap, Kingsburg, and Browns. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Edwards and Wabash.
Oh shit.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western White County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Wayne County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Saline County, Illinois, Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, northeastern Franklin County in south-central Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of McLeansboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carlisle, McLeansboro, Norris City, Enfield, Mill Shoals, Broughton, Springfield, Macedonia, and Bird Prairie. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 113 and 115. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Hamilton, Saline, and White. Flood watch.
Thunderstorm warning. Illinois.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern White County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Wayne County in south central Illinois, southwestern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Enfield, or 10 miles northwest of Carlisle, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Winsboro, winds were south at thunderstorm warning for western White County in southeastern Illinois, Wayne County in south central Illinois, eastern Jefferson County in south central Illinois, northeastern Williamson County, Illinois, northern Saline County, Illinois, Hamilton County in south central Illinois, eastern Franklin County in south central Illinois, northwestern Gallatin County, Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Omega to 11 miles east of Rend Lake area to near Johnston City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include West Frankfort, Fairfield, McLeansboro, Norris City, Wayne City, Galatia, Bluford, Shinn, Enfield, Thompsonville, Dahlgren, Jeffersonville, Bell Rive, Hannaford, Omaha, Sims, Mill Shoals, Broughton, Springerton, and Mount Erie. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 62 and 63. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 86 and 119. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline, White, and Williamson. http://www. Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, central Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grayville, or 10 miles southwest of Mount Carmel, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
Indiana.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Princeton, Mount Carmel, Fort Branch, Owensville, Patoka, Belmont, and Kingsburg. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Wabash, Illinois, and Gibson, Indiana.
Indiana,
Weather Radio,
Kentucky,
commercial radio.
Central Illinois, southwestern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, northern Gallatin County, Illinois, northwestern Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, Van Rivers County in southwestern Indiana, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, Posey County in southwestern Indiana, West Central Pike County in southwestern Indiana, northern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, northern Union County in northwestern Kentucky until 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. and 6:16 p.m. or 7:16 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles west of West Salem to near Carmichael Ridgeway, moving at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour gusts. This is radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of Kansas include Evansville, Henderson, Christian, Mount Carmel, Mount Vernon, Carmine, Newburgh, Chandler, Fort Branch, Albion, Melanie Hill, Greenville, Hotspot, Darmstadt, Owensville, Horseville, New Harmony, Crossville, Dakota, and Cynthiana. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 35. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 34. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 118 and 130. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Gallatin, Wabash, and White, and severe thunderstorm warning in the following counties in Kentucky, Henderson, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. Welcome.
Illinois, southeastern Wayne County in south-central Illinois, southwestern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, southern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, northwestern Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, southwestern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grayville, or 9 miles south of Albion, moving east at 70 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Grayville. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Grayville, Owensville, Horseville, New Harmony, Crossville, Cynthiana, Kingsburg, Griffin, and Phillipstown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 20. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 118 and 130. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Posey, and Vanderburgh. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern White County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Wayne County in south-central Illinois, southwestern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, southern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, northwestern Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, southwestern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grayville, or 9 miles south of Albion, moving east at 70 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Grayville.
Destructive storm.
Hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely.
I feel sorry for the animals that are left out in here.
Grayville, Owensville, Horseville, New Harmony, Crossville, Cynthiana, Kingsburg, Griffin, and Phillipstown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 20. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 118 and 130. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Weather Service forecast for the Evansville tri-state area. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Then thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall after midnight. Those in the lower 70s, southwest 13 to 15 miles an hour. upper 80s.
Around 7:10 p.m.
Northwest winds around 5 miles
The
an hour.
following highways. Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile
Monday
markers
night,
26
partly
and
cloudy
54.
until midnight. Then becoming mostly
Kentucky between mile markers 6.
The National Weather Service has issued
Severe thunderstorm warning.
for Central
Illinois,
Wabash County in
Indiana,
southeastern Illinois, Warwick
Kentucky,
County in southwestern Indiana, Van Ripert County in southwestern Indiana, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, Pike County in southwestern Indiana, north central Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky until 7:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m. or 7:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Princeton to near Evansville to near Henderson, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Evansville, Princeton, Mount Carmel, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Fort Branch, Oakland City, Petersburg, Melody Hill, Hotspot, Darmstadt, Owensville, Linville, Winslow, Patoka, Cynthiana, Phillipsville, Casson, and Albertville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 2, and between mile markers 7 and 52. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 13 and 52. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Wabash, Illinois, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Posey, Van Ripert, and Warwick, and Henderson, Kentucky. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Evansville tri-state area. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Then some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, Van Ripert County in southwestern Indiana, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, Pike County in southwestern Indiana, north central Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky until 7:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m. or 7:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Princeton to near Evansville to near Henderson, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Evansville, Princeton, Mount Carmel, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Fort Branch, Oakland City, Petersburg, Melody Hill, Hotspot, Darmstadt, Owensville, Linville, Winslow, Patoka, Cynthiana, Phillipsville, Casson, and Albertville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 2, and between mile markers 7 and 52. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 13 and 52. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Wabash, Illinois, and the following counties
In effect until 7:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, and Warwick. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Du Bois County in south central Indiana, southwestern Orange County in south central Indiana until 8:45 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winslow, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Include Jasper,
Indiana.
Huntingburg, Ferguson, Holland, Birdvine, Du Bois, Gilham, Celestini, Millersport, and Breckville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Du Bois, Indiana. Partly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, and mostly clear after midnight.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming southeast after midnight. Independence Day, mostly sunny with a chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows around 70. Chance of rain 20%. Wednesday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of shower tonight. Kentucky, heavy rainfall after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds.
Severe thunderstorm warning. Kentucky.
70%. Sunday, partly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. Lows in the upper
Flood watch.
80s.
Indiana.
Around 5
Kentucky.
miles an hour, becoming sunny after midnight. Independent day, mostly sunny with a chance of showers. A slight chance of
Sacramento, Island, Bremen, and South Carrollton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 103 and 123. Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 39 and 65.
chance of rain
Eddie
20%.
Ryle Parkway between mile
Wednesday,
markers
mostly
45
sunny.
and 34.
A slight chance of showers
A
and
severe
thunderstorms
thunderstorm
in the
warning
morning,
has been
then a
issued
chance
until
of showers
8:30
and
p.m. for the
thunderstorms
following
in the
counties.
afternoon.
In Kentucky,
Highs in the lower 90s.
Tompkins, McLean, and
Chance of
Muhlenberg.
rain 50%. Wednesday night, partly in the forecast.